Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. We are again here with a new video, and this video is especially designed, it is prepared for you to arouse in you the love for books, reading skills, and importance of books. These two elements go together here. Reading gives incomparable pleasure. It has been observed that reading is a priceless activity that enriches us, that enriches our mind with ideas and confidence. Books have superpowers that compel us to imagine things we have never thought about before. If we read books, our lifestyle changes. We are introduced to the world of knowledge and wisdom. Books have been our constant friends, companions, and partners. Reading is a wonderful hobby which helps us to grow mentally, emotionally, and psychologically. Reading is essential for those who seek to rise above the ordinary. Dear viewers, commenting upon the importance of books, Austin Phelps says, "Wear the old coat and buy the new book." He is of the opinion that do not purchase new garments, new clothes, rather buy books, because books give you the way to lead the world. Good readers are good leaders. And in this context, the great Turkish writer Orhan Pamuk, who received Nobel Prize for Literature in 2006, opines that I read a book one day and my whole life changed. This is how the importance of books is given. There are many benefits of reading books. The first benefit is that reading gives knowledge and entertainment. It is said that to read a book is to live in the world created by the author. We acquire a great deal of information on a variety of subjects. We enjoy reading and we are transported into the world of ecstasy. Second very important pillar of this is reading improves your brain. Reading improves your brain. Reading can prevent dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Dementia is a dangerous disease that causes loss of memory. It creates problems for human existence and human psychology. Similarly, this is because it keeps your brain active and prevents from losing powers. If we constantly engage our mind in reading and learning, if we have friendship with books, our memory improves, our brain works better. Then, third point is that reading reduces stress. Stress has caused dangerous diseases. Reading a book relieves stress better than a walk or listening to music. Dear viewers, it is said that according to the research studies, those who read more tend to have lower stress level. It means reading lessens the level of stress. Fourth point is that reading develops critical thinking. Critical thinking is very significant. Critical thinking skills are crucial when it comes to day-to-day discussions. And we have to face a lot of problems. We critically evaluate, analyze the situation, and make decisions. Reading develops motivation. Motivation is a key factor that leads us towards optimism, courage, and inspiration. If we are demotivated, we lose the fabric of life. It's better to get inspiration, to get motivated. For motivation, we have great speeches of the scholars, like I Have a Dream, a speech delivered by Martin Luther King Jr. Tennyson is one of the great poets of Victorian age. Queen Victoria loved his poetry. On the death of her husband, she was in constant isolation. She had nothing to enjoy. She read poetry of Tennyson. Tennyson, in his great poem Ulysses, writes, "Made weak by time and fit but strong in will, made weak by time and fit but strong in will, to strive, to seek, to find and not to yield. Here he motivates us. Here he gives us inspiration that do not give up. Giving up is not the action. Don't get idle. Speed up and fight the monsters of life. Similarly, Muhammad Ali Kilay, who was the champion of the boxer, he remained champion internationally. Whenever he moved towards battle or he moved to ring or for the competition, he already decided that I have won the match. In practice, he said, I am the champion, I am the great. I am the champion, I am the great. This slogan sounded in his mind and gave him bigger determination. So from books we get motivation. Then build self-esteem. By reading many books, you communicate better and become more informed on various areas of life. All this translates into a higher self-esteem. Your socialization develops. People start taking autograph from you. People start loving you. Then comes improves communication skills. Reading improves communication skills. Without communication skills, our competence is nothing. Our talent is nothing because we can't express and channelize it effectively. The more you read, the more you enjoy. The more you read, the more you develop your communication skills. Books always broaden our intellectual vision and we understand how to communicate effectively, how to face situation and how to take out of that situation properly. Reading develops vocabulary. We learn different type of idioms, phrases, phrasal verbs. New type of vocabulary is built up. Then reading improves morals. Reading a book allows you to learn about different approaches to life and problems we face. If we are readers, we are leaders. Try to build up reading habit. Try to develop reading skills. Make a sound connection with books. Cement your links with book. Cement your relationship with books because books are your best friend.